Hey friends, so this is a little bit different. Harpo, who this homeowner, this is Harpo, who's this HOA secretary, as we are going to try and pressure wash our fence that we have here with the HOA. So what we have done is connected a hose from our neighbor's area all the way up, and we're going to pressure wash the fence. Let me show you what the fence looks like. So this is our front fence. As you see, it is gross and dirty, and it was recently put on the HOA board, and we could pay someone to do this, but there's really not that much fencing for what they wanted to charge us. So we're gonna try and do it ourselves and see how that goes. So wish us luck. So we've got our equipment here. Troy's still hooking up everything. We have 3 hoses that we're hoping to get working on this. And then this is our neighbor's house over here that we've hooked up to. So wish us luck, because in Robinson fashion, something will happen. We are using the magical Dawn Power Wash to try to break up some of this nasty dirt and grime. It's probably been building up on the fence for a while. So the power of the Dawn Power Wash. So we are still going at it. We almost have this entire side finished. It looks so much better. What we've been doing is we've been spraying it with power wash. We've been using the pressure washer, and then I've gone through and kind of used more power wash and wiped it down to get those spots that maybe the pressure washer couldn't get, that I could get to without climbing all in the bushes, because I'm sure there's snakes. So I'm not trying to get all in all these bushes, but we'll see how we can do over here and on this fence part that's still dirty. But as you can see, this is a vast improvement from what we were working with when we first got here. I'm not gonna say halfway through, I'll say a third of the way, but if you remember what it looked like before, we've gotten like 2.5 panels done, and they are white. You see it's dirty still over here. Dawn Power Wash is your friend, though. We did the front side of the fence and the back side of the front on the left side. I am noticing that on our other side of the fence, on the back side, so the property side, it could use a scrubbing and a washing, but those neighbors aren't home, and I need power and I need water. So it may have to be another day. It may have to be someone else, but we did a pretty good job. I think it looks really good. I'm just going to show you this other side in case one day we do make it back out here and handle it. So as you see, it is not as bad and as dirty as the front. It can just use a scrubbing. But you need water and you need power. So it may be another weekend project for another day. But for now, I am really proud of the job we did as we tried to get it done before it started raining. Big thanks to our neighbor over here who let us connect to his water and power. And that is how you power wash a fence.